Honorable AG Sir, the President of our association, other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais. We are at the fag end of this entire academic exercise. We are aware that the Bar Association of India is known in the entire world for this academic exercises. We lawyers are student and we practice the law, and therefore these academic exercises are must for everybody. The process of learning is a continuous one, and if on 1st of July 3 new legislations are going to change our life, the life of a litigant, life of the judges, life of the investigators, life of the lawyers, maybe a special counsel, maybe a defense counsel, maybe in whatever capacity. If our life is going to be changed, then everyone was expected to be more attentive. And of course, in all these three sessions, large number of delegates who came here from entire country, they participated, they deliberated on different topics. To begin with, the first inaugural session is concerned. The introductory remarks were given by our Honorary Secretary General, Amarjit Singh Bedi. Prashant Kumar, our President, gave a presidential address, and the Honorable Judge of the Supreme Court, Justice Amanullah, he gave he delivered his inaugural address. Now the President-elect also guided us in the inaugural session. After that inaugural session was over, the first session started. In the first session, we were having different speakers. Senior advocate from Mumbai, Amit Desai, came and he shared his different thoughts which were never considered by all of us. The offenses with reference to all those technological issues, the offenses which can be called as the taxational angle or commercial angle offenses, and what will be the changes which are likely to be faced by all of us, and what will be the challenges before all of us. He presented his thought. The Member of Parliament Sujit Kumar, he was another speaker who was a member of the committee to whom these bills were referred. He also gave a different insight and pointed out his personal views on different objections which were raised by him. We were also guided by Siddharth Dave, the senior advocate who is having a vast practice. He pointed out with reference to the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita what were the actual issues which we will have to consider. Dr. Anandita Pujari, our one of the Vice President, she also shared that now it's a time for celebration, because she proudly said and shared with us that she was a party as a lawyer in different judgments which were implemented by the government. Of course, she also added that now the time has come to fight with reference to the other recommendations which were made by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. There was a second session today morning. The second technical session was with reference to Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. The chair was our one of the Vice President and the President of the Law Asia, Sham Diwan. And in his usual style, by taking assistance of the artificial intelligence, he translated the word cricket and virtually raised several questions with reference to the wording which were used in this new enactment. The Additional Solicitor General Vikramjit Banerjee, he also raised several questions before us and shared his insight. B.V. Acharya, the senior advocate, maybe perhaps the senior most in the entire this 2 days conference, Rule of Law Convention, he also shared his personal views. He also shared experience which was worth taking some notes from the case which has been conducted by him with reference to the Jayalalitha case. Senior advocate and the former judge of Delhi High Court, Mukta Gupta, she also shared different thoughts. She was also positive and she shared different angles which were never thought by a common lawyer as such. There was one Dr. Kumar Akshand Pandey, associate professor from the university. He also shared his input with us. The session coordinator was Srinivas from Hyderabad, who handled this entire session very nicely. The last session was prior to lunch. That was about the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. And Jaideep Gupta, the senior advocate and the vice president, he was in the chair. He gave a free hand to the session coordinator Pravartak Pathak, one of our member. Aditya Sondi, a senior lawyer from the Bangalore, he came, he shared his different insight with us. Then Jana Kothari, senior advocate from Delhi, she was there. Our own one of the vice president, Yakesh Anand, he also guided all of us with his valuable input, and he was positive, saying that there is a silver lining to the entire situation. Then the last speaker was Dr. Gandhi from Hyderabad, and we have seen that in the lunch hours he was having a very high demand, because the thoughts which he shared, of course we could not give him sufficient time for this from this dais, but I am sure there will be many more occasions to meet Dr. Gandhi and understand the new challenges with reference to the evidence which is going to come. Having a very limited time now, it's a conclusion. These 3 technical sessions which were there, these are the opportunities for all of us. The opportunity to introspect, opportunity to learn something. See, ultimately we all are student of law. And why we are coming for such conferences, such a rule of law convention? Because we can take something back to our home, back to our district, back to our respective bars. And I am sure this particular exercise will not be a sole exercise which we have done so far. Very soon this will be replicated in different parts of the entire country with a collaborative approach, as pointed out by our President Prashant Kumar yesterday. With this, I conclude my introductory remark. Thank you.